Punctuation rules. The semicolon. It's no accident that a semicolon is a period atop a comma. Like commas, semicolons indicate an audible pause, slightly longer than a comma's, but short of a period's full stop. Semicolons have other functions too, but first a warning. Avoid the common mistake of using a semicolon to replace a colon. Example. Wrong use of a semicolon, stupid. That's a use for a colon. But if you want to know about colons, read about colons. Rule 1. A semicolon can replace a period if the writer wishes to narrow the gap between two closely linked sentences. Example. That's how you use a semicolon. Rule 2. Use a semicolon before such words and terms as namely, however, therefore, that is. For example, for instance, etc. when they introduce a complete sentence. It is also preferable to use a comma after these words and terms. Example. See the use of that semicolon? That's how you use a semicolon. Rule 3. Use a semicolon to separate units of a series when one or more of the units contain commas. Example. Wrong again, stupid. You need to replace those commas with semicolons after the states. That's how you use a semicolon. Rule number 4. A semicolon may be used between independent clauses joined by a connector, such as and, but, or, nor, etc., when one or more commas appear in the first clause. Example. See the use of that semicolon after those clauses with the commas? That's how you use a semicolon. Now that you know how to use a semicolon, your writing will be sweet and not stupid all the time using periods. The end.